Transform YouTube into your personal learning academy. Track progress with timestamp precision, take rich notes while watching, and build custom learning paths from any content. Browse our extensive library of learning courses make of video and playlist. Filter by 12 categories from programming to health or fitness. Choose your preferred language, set duration limits, and search by topic. If your search learning don't show any course or you don't like what is shown, you can use search on YouTube. It will open new tab with that search with your time duration filter. Then you can copy that link and paste in website to start learning from website. Later we will create extension to have more reach. You can start learning already created path from learning path page. If you want to create your learning path for own or for helping other, you can create it from learning path page. In each class you can paste video or playlist link as class. If you had created that learning path, you can edit it anytime.